Here we go, guys. The mother lode. The bell of the Annabelles. What else?
The Conjuring behind or beyond fear. Beyond fear.
Listen, there better be a closet scene where she claps with she has a match or a candle, right?
Hey, wanna play hide and clap?
Listen, we're the biggest fans of the Conjuring Universe, and some of the Cedar Fair parks brought it straight to the people. This is part of their SCREAMium experience, and basically you get to go into the Warren artifact room, and you got to help them restore order. So you're going to experience a lot of things from the Conjuring Universe. Bret does not seem interested.
No, I was just thinking to myself, like, oh, I wonder if Matt Rife has been on this yet.
Oh yeah, we just watched the Matt Rife and Elon or Eaton.
I went to bed.
Just bought The Conjuring, or Ed Lorraine and
the Warrens.
Ed and Lorraine Warren's home. It was a 2-hour special. If you haven't seen it, go see it.
Like their old school car.
It's really cool.
I was also saying this to Mike the other day after we watched the movie, though, is it's kind of weird that we're so obsessed with the Warrens, because if you like, never mind. That's wrong.
No.
It's odd. That's all I'm gonna say. Okay, what are we looking at here? What is it? Mike has a novel to read.
No, we already said it.
Oh, sweet. Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna restore order from the artifact. We're gonna go. Artifacts are missing. We're gonna have to find them and bring them back to the room under their blessed. What do you call it? It's not a curse, but blessed veil.
Protection.
Let's go. Annabelle, here we come.
Annabelle, Mom.
The Conjuring Beyond Fear is unlike any Halloween experience that our guests have had in the past. Taking the idea of a maze, marrying it with the idea of an escape room, and also bringing together the story all around you, it is an immersive theater experience unlike any other. We really wanted to make this something that our guests felt a part of. So often in our experiences, it's either happening around you or it's happening in front of you. So we wanted to bring everyone into the storyline by giving them different roles throughout each of the rooms. So whether it's finding artifacts or helping procure different, pieces of the storyline for the talent, the guests are going to feel like they are an integral part of the story, because they are. You won't be able to make it through the theatrical experience unless you, the guest, is a part of the solve.
Okay, we saved the best for last.
Come on and save the best for last.
The Conjuring Beyond Fear. It was definitely Beyond Fear. That was one of the best haunted houses I've ever been in my entire life.
We were in line for like an hour, but we waited and I slipped on the light. We waited until 11:15 to get in line.
Like, we need to extend the boo factor to like 10.
25.
Like, that was beyond terrifying.
But like, these kinds of pop-ups need to happen.
Yeah.
Like, at that scale.
You could put this
across
anywhere.
America. It's incredible.
Like, these movie, like, we've been to movie pop-ups, and some are good, but nothing like that. That was on a whole different level. Scaredy cats. Bret definitely got scared more than I in that.
Okay.
So what are we gonna do?
This wasn't like a person standing there. This was like
it was
the one that hit me in the head.
theatrics. It was theatrics. So
scaredy cats. I mean, I definitely lost a mountain for sure.
Yeah, but I mean,
But they also made me carry an Annabelle doll the whole way. So
I got to choose 2 different things, and then I got separated from the group by Scary Monster.
So
that's
cool.
featured in the new movie. It was good. It was good. Yeah, so how many scaredy cats do you got now? You're at 19.
I mean, at least 10 in there.
Probably way more than that.
No.
All right, 10.
I'm pretty manly.
Then I will give myself 8. So I win.
Nice job. Congratulations.
Hey, listen, thank you so much to the marketing team at SCarowinds. Oh. Ooh. There it is. There we go. Look at that. That's a perfect
My
image
sister
from us.
Cammy can laugh like that.
But listen, we want to do a special shout out to the marketing team for hooking us up for some of these tickets
Yes.
and helping us, or helping them cover this event with you guys. This was really special.
Worth the money.
Yeah.
And like 10, what is it, hand over fist?
Yeah.
Worth the money.